What up? It's Will Vitela, Home Tech Expert. I'm back in Placentia, California, here to mount a TV right on that stucco wall facing the backyard for a wonderful family. You know, they had a 70-inch old TV that was just laying around not doing anything, not really being used. And they said, you know what, Will, let's go ahead and mount it on this wall. We want it centered between that window and that corner edge of the wall. And I said, absolutely no problem. But we have to do it the Home Tech Expert way. We have to do it safe. So what we do is, even though it's stucco, we're mounting it on the wood stud framing, so that way they don't have to worry about any, earthquake safety issues or anything like that. And we're using a pull-out, swing-out type of TV bracket for this 70-inch TV, so they could pull it out and swing it to the left, swing it to the right. Now, when we were replacing the outlet in the box, it's really old and everything was just falling apart. So I went ahead and I did some stucco patching and replaced the box and the outlet in order so that everything looks beautiful and professional, and it's absolutely brand new. So you have the outlet for the TV with the outdoor weather cover, and it looks absolutely awesome, doesn't it? And not only can the TV pull out and swing out, but it can also be pushed back right up against the wall. All we need is to order a TV dust cover, and we're good to go. If you want to get something like this done at your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com.